northern angle, all right? Y'all voted. So y'all know what y'all girl is here to do, okay, y'all? Your girl is in the car. Today is my baby birthday. Shout out to my son, that firstborn, only born. What? Firstborn, only born, okay? Make that make sense. Moving on. Today is my baby's birthday, y'all, okay? So your girl's inside the car. It's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to bring y'all this video. All right, y'all. Y'all see what your girl is drinking because this is what y'all voted for. Y'all, we're going to get straight into it. Not that strong. Not that strong. Oh. Y'all, this right here is so weak. Like, is it just me? And it says it don't even expire until the 11th. Can y'all see that? August the 11th. We're on August the 6th. Like, why does it taste like this? Y'all, this right here is disgusting. It's not strong or nothing. See, now you try something and it tastes like it has potential. Y'all, it tastes like it has potential to be good, but it's nasty. And I think what makes it nasty is the ginseng. I don't know, y'all, but I don't like this, okay? It is a big no. All right, y'all, that is it for your girl. Check out my channel if you want to see a full video of the Burping Queen, okay?